People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Wagwan viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, people. Much love and appreciation as usual. So news coming out of Guyana, people. Remember I posted a video earlier this week talking about all the flooding that has been happening, people. I'm going to post some other videos of some crazy amount of flooding that took place and that is going on at the moment, people. Lots of rainfall in Guyana, people. Just pray and hope for the best and no loss of life. As me say, material things can always be replaced, but there's a lot of flooding, people. So I'm just not going to talk that much in this video. There's a lot of flooding, so I'm just going to play you some different clips, making us see what is going on in Guyana at the moment, people. All right? Check out the video, then, people. Much love and appreciation from Yaad and Abroad, people. Check them out. All right? Bless up.
Can you imagine this is the waterfront road? Debbie, do not look your house, y'all. Look your house. Your house on the water, Debbie. Look here. Watch out. This, my God, and they still got anchor. No. What? What is still there? Jeez, you mean? I have never seen this in 60 years of my life in Kokwani. Can't go through there, right? No, you can't go, sir. This trigger. Yeah, trigger, you down there and left this here, sir. Contact control. Who the A? Cherry. This is madness. What's this, boy? Oh my God. I want to go and sit there by CASHAPP. Color, you hand up on your lights. Hey, stop shake, boy. Yeah. I have never ever seen this. Look like a house. All the rest, right? Well, I'm sorry, I want to see Tasha place. This is me 5,200 pass. Look at this, you can imagine. This ain't right. This ain't, look, this is a disaster. Mr. President, this is a disaster. Look at pigs. Oh my God. This can't be truth. This is not no truth. Video Janice. Janice! Jabby can't come sick tomorrow. Watch how y'all enjoying the nice life in a disaster. Alright, I tell you. What is this, boy? I don't know, she's school. What you snack it? Watch my daughter, lovely boutique on the water for real. Brother Sammy. Hey, don't no fly out. Stumpy, I saw Stumpy went raising yours all the time, like yours can't raise no more. Then you know you have to like, drive me and you go out of here. Captain had to jump out. The boatman had to come out. Jackie Gomes, send this video for you, girl. Let's see what really going on in this place. HK House. Look at dog going on there. Jesus. My God. This one gets saved by the bell. I never see this yet in my life. Never see this yet. 60 years I live in. I know Kokwani.
Never see this?
No. Never see this.
Never see this brethren. This is what? This disaster. Never see this. And my grandfather and my mother could see this what? Never see the church on the water yet. Clean up. God cleaning up. All the church cleaning up. This is big time clean up.
We could drive it?
Yeah.
And hello? We could drive it?
Now, look what going on in your house too. Oh, Jamis, look you. Look at you sell out, boy. And catch your money and beat out. Right? We want to laugh, but we can't laugh. Still no these things. Water gonna drop. When? Oi, oi, oi! Yeah man, watch your water. Gotta go up top the hilltop by me, boy. Watch that. Forestry. Office. Straight through this road, boy. Look, the church, Allen Church getting washed out. See demons in that church. Wash out. Call it, wash out.
What is children?
God washing them out.
Come on the ball.
Look, the ball field. Where you going by? Don't drive by it. Good. I'm at the ball field by. Now we're leaning the boats up for. Yeah, let's play.
Yeah, go down there to the all.
You don't got license, you know. Good. Hey, I gotta pick them to dry, them couple dry here by and bring them like make cook up. Gotta check down them coconut. Can't drive it hard.
Video this together.
Don't touch it. Don't touch you. Don't touch you. Touch you, boy. Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Jones. Swing on eh? Water body water.
Yeah, come in and pump water.
Like we pumping it out and put it. Water. No water you are in it. Let us switch on the video. No. I don't pop try this it. Then you cut them out and carry them out.
Up to you.
What? Warrior! gosh! Oh my gosh!
Couldn't even chop it but as the elephant.
Ah. Yeah, buddy. Planting all far along. Popal.
Come, reach it again.
Chigain plank all raise up. Oh gosh, look at the camp. Heh! I ain't even get credit for Carly. And they here flood out body farm duck. History has fulfilled. It's the end time. Put the papa there, man.
It's the end time. See, she keep talking, it's the end time.
History have to repeat itself. Wow, look, Silla slip all reach outside.
The Guyana Livestock and Development Authority has removed over 2,000 cattle from the Cookridge Savannah in Blackbush Polder and is now producing feed at Skeldon for distribution. So far, over 60 bags of feed have been distributed across Region 6 to cattle farmers as production continues. Livestock Extension Officer at GLDA Selwyn Anthony says the goal is to produce over 1,200 bags of feed at the Skeldon location to meet the demands of the farmers.
And all the farmers would have been affected. And when we talk about farmers, we categorize them. So we have the subsistence, the small, the medium, and the large. In this case, the large farmers are down at the back end of the savannas, and they would have been affected significantly, but all the farmers are affected, and it's more than 7,000 farmers across the region.
Anthony says all species of livestock have been affected.
Based on visual, what you would have seen going through the savannas and going through the creeks and the waterways, we are seeing lots of animals that are emaciated or very, very weak. We are seeing some animals floating, but we cannot give a figure to say that we would have lost 1,000, we would have lost 1,500. No, we just can't say. What we are hoping is the farmers themselves can help us to tell us what their numbers are. And the farmers are giving varying numbers.
The Guyana Livestock and Development Authority is still conducting assessment of losses across East Berbice quarantine. Following the assessment, a report will be sent to the Ministry of Agriculture, where a determination will be made on the way forward. Reporting for the NCN News, I am Royan Abrams.